All right, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the Outdoorsman's Garage YouTube channel. We got another good one for you. So let's get into it. Last night, my wife was coming back from the nail salon, and she said, "Hey," she said, "I found something for $100. I want you to come with me to go check it out." I said, "All right." So she stopped by the house on her way home and picked me up, and we shot out to the house on the other side of the town where this item was. Check this out. Let me get this camera turned around here, and yeah, show you what's going on. Look at that beauty. That was $100. The lady says it's like new, which still has the plastic on the gas cap, so there you go. I did notice a few things that I had to fix right away. I don't know why the 110 plug is missing off of there, so I'll have to track down a 110 plug for this thing. And I had to replace this gas line. The one that was on there was like one of those cheap ass factory ones, you know, the plastic ones. So I went to O'Reilly today and got some hose and some hose clamps, and got it put on there. But yeah, I think it's cool for $100. Do I need one? No, I got the other one, but you know, it is what it is. What we're gonna do is we're probably gonna keep this one at the camper and keep the other one, the Predator, here at the house for emergencies. So I don't know. This one's a little bit smaller than the Predator one as far as like the framing and stuff, and it's a little bit lighter. But yeah, let's get this thing put on the driveway, and you guys can hear it run. So, not bad for $100, I don't think. Pretty good deal. I mean, it works. I am going to have to fix that that 110 outlet on there, but not a big deal. I'll just look for one and replace it, and it'll be good to go. Did we need it? No, because we had the Predator generator that runs that camper just fine. But wife wanted one at the house and one at the camper, and that way we're not having to use one generator for everything, I guess. I don't know. That was her reasoning for it. But anyway, there you go. What do you think? All right, guys. Just a little short one, just to kind of show you what we picked up yesterday after I got off work and after she got out of the nail salon. $100, not bad. All right, guys, take it easy, and thanks for watching. We'll catch you next time.
Thanks for watching, and make sure you subscribe to the channel to not miss any content like this, because if you don't subscribe right now, do it. You'll miss a lot of our content.